In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a voice changer on Discord effectively. Whether you're looking to add a bit of fun to your conversations or get involved in online communities, setting up your mic correctly is the first step. So let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your microphone or headset is securely connected. If you're using a USB microphone, try connecting it to a different USB port just in case there's a connection issue. For those with a physical mute button on their device, double check that it's not activated. Your mic should be unmuted to function correctly. Now let's open up Discord. Head over to discord.com and click on the login button. Here you'll enter your email address and password to access your account. Once you're logged in, you should see the main Discord interface. On the bottom left corner of your screen, you'll find a gear icon. This is your user settings. Click on it to open a new menu. In this menu, locate the voice and video settings under the app settings section. This is where you'll configure your mic. Start by navigating to the input device section. Click on the drop-down menu and select the specific microphone you're using. It's crucial that the correct mic is selected here to ensure good quality voice input. Next, pay attention to the input volume. You'll see a slider here. Move it all the way to the right to set it at 100%. This maximizes your microphone's input volume, ensuring your voice is picked up clearly. Now let's test your mic. Under the mic test section, there's a let's check button. Give it a click and speak normally. You should be able to hear a playback of your voice. If you can hear yourself clearly, then your mic is properly set up within Discord. Moving on to input mode, you have two options: push to talk or voice activity. If you're using push to talk, ensure that the right keybind is set up and make sure to press it while speaking. For voice activity users, you might want to tweak the sensitivity settings to match your speaking volume. Let's not forget system settings for Windows users. You should right-click on the speaker icon in your system tray and select Sound Settings. Under Input, select your microphone and watch the input meter. The bar should move as you speak, indicating that your mic picks up sound. If the bar doesn't move, the problem might stem from your Windows setup rather than Discord itself. To prevent applications from monopolizing your mic, click on your microphone and then select Device Properties or just Properties. Head over to the Advanced tab and uncheck the box labeled Allow applications to take exclusive control of this device under exclusive mode. This ensures no single application can override your microphone settings. And there you have it. With these steps, your microphone is ready, paving the way for setting up your voice changer to make your Discord experience even more enjoyable.